Hello everyone, this is Mohammed from Octopods together with Albert. Hello. And today I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of how Octopods works. This video assumes you're somewhat familiar with Intercom. If you're not, please go to intercom.com and have a look around. Now let's get started. First off, here's my Octopods dashboard. In here, you can see the channels I've connected to my Intercom workspace. To connect a channel, you click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. And if you need help, we have a step-by-step bot to guide you. All you need to do is click on Need Help and it'll pop right up. Now, once I've connected a channel, anyone who sends me a message through that channel will show up in my Intercom inbox. Here's my inbox. Let's give it a try. I'll send a message via WhatsApp and Octopods will take care of the rest. There it is. Now, when a message comes in, there are a few things that take place. First, we check if there's an existing user or lead with the same phone number. If there is, we perform automatic matching and assume that they're the same person. If no matching user is found, we'll simply create a new lead with the necessary details. Depending on the channel, that could be their name, their phone number, their profile picture, and so on. If it's the first time this user or lead messages you, we'll create a new conversation. And from that point on, any message with that contact through that specific channel will always be within that conversation we created the first time. As you can see, our inbox app on the right side of the inbox here gives you additional information about the active conversation. Now, sending and receiving messages works as you'd expect. Here's an example of that. This also works for videos, pictures, file attachments, and so on. I'll send a picture now. There we go. It should come through in a few moments. There it is. Okay. In scenarios where you need to reach out to your contacts for the first time, we've got a feature called proactive messaging. This works for WhatsApp and SMS, and you can send proactive messages in two ways. One, through the Octopods inbox app on the right, or, which I'll demonstrate now, through our Chrome extension. This allows you to send a message directly from the user profile. So I'll go to a user profile. All you have to do is select your channel of choice. You can either select WhatsApp, in which case you'll send one of WhatsApp's pre-approved templates, or you can try Twilio SMS. And send. That's it. As you can see, I've received an SMS message on my phone, and I can respond and carry on the conversation in Intercom, and so on. Now, when someone contacts you through a channel in Intercom, we add custom data attributes to that user or lead's profile. One CDA that is common among all users is the Octopods_channel CDA. Here's what it looks like. There it is. This CDA tells you which channel a particular user is reaching out to you from. You can use CDAs for various things, such as assignment rules, tag rules, and so on. Here's an example of an assignment rule. If Octopods channel contains WhatsApp and phone starts with 60 and message content contains billing, and so on, then assign it to a particular user or team. So you can imagine the kinds of scenarios you can come up with and use these CDAs for. For more information, please refer to our help center, docs.octopods.io, or to the Intercom documentation. And finally, reports. Octopods created conversations are native Intercom conversations. That means they'll be included in your Intercom inbox reports, and they'll forever be there. If you've set up tag rules, for example, for your channel conversations, you can use those to filter your reports, and so on. That's all I have for you today. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to message us on any of the following channels, and have a great day.